Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Decor Tricks. If you're looking to transform your kitchen into a space that's both stylish and functional, you've come to the right place. Today, we're sharing our top 8 kitchen decor ideas that will not only enhance the look of your kitchen but also make it a more enjoyable place to cook and gather. From open shelving to vintage touches, we've got plenty of inspiration to get you started. So, let's dive right in and discover how you can elevate your kitchen decor. First up, let's talk about open shelving. This trend has taken the design world by storm, and it's easy to see why. Open shelves create an airy and open feel in your kitchen, making the space appear larger and more inviting. They're also incredibly practical, providing easy access to your most used dishes and kitchen essentials. Imagine waking up in the morning and effortlessly grabbing your favorite coffee mug from a beautifully styled shelf. Not only is it convenient, but it also gives you a chance to showcase your personal style. You can display colorful dishware, unique glassware, or even a collection of cookbooks and potted plants. The key is to keep it organized and visually appealing, mixing functional items with decorative pieces to create a balanced look. Open shelving works well in both small and large kitchens. In a smaller space, it can help eliminate the feeling of being cramped by removing bulky upper cabinets. In a larger kitchen, it adds character and a cozy, lived-in vibe. Plus, it's a great opportunity to experiment with different materials like reclaimed wood or sleek metal for the shelves themselves, adding another layer of texture and interest to your kitchen. Next, let's illuminate the importance of statement lighting. Lighting in a kitchen isn't just about practicality, it's a crucial design element that can dramatically transform the ambience of the room. Imagine walking into a kitchen where the lighting immediately catches your eye. Pendant lights hanging above the island can create a focal point, drawing attention and adding a touch of elegance. A stunning chandelier over the dining area not only provides necessary light but also serves as a beautiful centerpiece, elevating the overall design. There are endless options when it comes to choosing statement lighting. You might opt for industrial-style fixtures with exposed bulbs for a modern, edgy look. Or, perhaps you prefer the classic charm of a crystal chandelier, adding a bit of glamour to your cooking space. For a more rustic vibe, consider fixtures made from natural materials like woven rattan or distressed wood. But it's not just about aesthetics. The right lighting can also enhance functionality. Task lighting, such as under-cabinet lights, ensures you have sufficient illumination for chopping, mixing, and reading recipes. Dimmer switches allow you to adjust the brightness according to the time of day or the mood you want to set, providing flexibility and comfort. Backsplash as art. Now, let's turn our attention to the backsplash. Think of your backsplash as a canvas where you can infuse creativity and personality into your kitchen. A bold, patterned, or colorful backsplash can serve as a striking focal point, transforming a functional necessity into a piece of art. Imagine a kitchen where a vibrant mosaic of tiles adds a splash of color and texture, instantly drawing the eye. Whether you choose geometric patterns, classic subway tiles, or intricate designs, the backsplash is your opportunity to make a statement. In addition to aesthetics, a backsplash protects your walls from spills and splatters, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. With endless materials to choose from, ceramic, glass, metal, or stone, you can find the perfect match to complement your style. Let's explore the idea of contrasting cabinetry. Pairing different colors for your upper and lower cabinets creates visual interest and depth in your kitchen. Imagine sleek white upper cabinets paired with rich, navy blue lower ones. This contrast not only breaks the monotony but also adds a dynamic, modern look. You can mix natural wood with painted cabinets or even combine different textures and finishes for a more eclectic style. This approach allows you to highlight specific areas, such as an island or a pantry. It's a creative way to infuse personality and make your kitchen stand out, giving it a customized, designer feel. Let's bring the outdoors in with natural elements in your kitchen. Incorporating materials like wood, stone, and greenery can add warmth, texture, and a sense of tranquility to your culinary space. Imagine preparing meals on a beautiful wooden countertop or washing dishes in a luxurious stone sink. These elements not only look stunning but also evoke a connection to nature, creating a soothing and inviting atmosphere. Adding potted plants or fresh herbs further enhances this natural vibe, while also improving air quality and adding a touch of greenery to your kitchen. It's a simple yet effective way to infuse life and character into your cooking area. Let's talk about optimizing your kitchen with smart storage solutions. Pull-out drawers, lazy Susans, and custom organizers are game changers when it comes to keeping your space tidy and functional. Imagine effortlessly accessing pots and pans with pull-out drawers, or efficiently organizing spices and condiments with a lazy Susan. These solutions maximize every inch of space, making it easier to find what you need and keeping clutter at bay. Custom organizers, whether for pantry shelves or under-sink storage, help you create designated spaces for all your kitchen essentials. It's a practical approach that ensures everything has its place, making cooking and meal prep more enjoyable and efficient. Bold color accents. Let's inject some energy into your kitchen with bold color accents. Whether it's through vibrant appliances, colorful accessories, or an eye-catching accent wall, adding pops of color can completely transform the atmosphere. Imagine a kitchen with a bright red mixer on the countertop, or a set of teal bar stools adding a playful touch. These bold accents not only draw attention but also create a sense of personality and fun in your cooking space. You can go big with a statement wall in a bold hue like deep blue or sunny yellow, or keep it subtle with small touches like colorful dish towels or artwork. Whichever way you choose, incorporating bold colors can elevate the mood and make your kitchen a more inspiring place to cook and gather. Let's add a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen with vintage touches. Retro appliances, antique furniture pieces, and vintage-inspired decor can bring a unique charm and character to your culinary space. Imagine cooking on a retro-style range or enjoying meals at a vintage dining table. These elements not only evoke a sense of history but also add warmth and coziness to the room. You can incorporate vintage touches through small decor items like old-fashioned signage, colorful retro kitchenware, or vintage-inspired light fixtures. Mixing these pieces with modern elements creates a curated look that feels both timeless and inviting, making your kitchen a memorable and welcoming place for family and guests alike. Now that we've explored these 8 kitchen decor ideas, you have a wealth of inspiration to create a space that's not only stylish, but also highly functional. From open shelving to vintage touches, each idea offers a unique way to personalize your kitchen and make it a reflection of your taste and lifestyle. Remember, a well-designed kitchen is more than just aesthetics, it's about creating a space that works for you, whether you're cooking gourmet meals or gathering with loved ones. By incorporating elements like statement lighting, natural materials, and smart storage solutions, you can enhance both the beauty and practicality of your culinary haven. So go ahead, mix and match these ideas, and have fun infusing your personality into every corner of your kitchen. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a cozy, vintage vibe, there's no limit to the creativity you can bring to your home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and inspiration. Your support helps us create more content like this to inspire and inform our viewers. Happy decorating!